Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Veggies. I thought it would be a good idea to share with you a casual recipe for the middle of the work week or school. This is my macaroni salad. It's perfect for those days when you don't feel like putting too much time and effort into cooking, but you still want to eat something really good and tasty. This macaroni salad is easy and fairly quick to put together. I like to eat it in a bowl or with tostadas and lots of avocado slices. So if you're interested in this recipe, let's begin. But before we do, don't forget to subscribe to support my channel. I would truly appreciate it. Starting with the macaroni elbow pasta, cook it in salted boiling water, then rinse and run through cold water to cool it down faster. Now onto the veggies. I love to add these sweet chili peppers because of their bright color and taste. All I did was de-seed them and chop them up. Also, I like mushrooms in here. I sometimes add them raw, but today I decided to cook them for about 10 minutes. And these are all my veggies. They're all cut and chopped up the same size. As you can see, there are the sweet peppers as well as the cooked mushroom. I'm also adding celery, carrots, and white onion. What I really like about this recipe is that you can add your favorite veggies like olives, sweet corn, peas, tomatoes, even legumes like beans. They would be great in here too. And if you have vegan ham, you can also chop it up and add it to the pasta salad. It tastes really good. Now I'm just mixing in the mayo with the pasta, incorporating all of it, making it really creamy. If you don't have vegan mayo, you can always add vegan sour cream. In fact, I've done that before. I've mixed a little bit of both and it tastes really good. It makes for a really creamy pasta. And in no particular order, I'm gonna add all of the veggies along with the chopped ham, the vegan ham that I had. Then I'm gonna add my seasonings. I have seasoning salt as well as onion powder, cracked black pepper, and mustard. It might sound a little weird, but trust me, it tastes really good in here. Another great thing about this recipe is that you can cook the pasta the night before as well as chop the veggies the night before and store everything in the fridge. That way when you get home from your busy day, you can put everything together in a large bowl or pot and serve right away. And as always, adjust the seasonings to your taste because we're all different. Some of us like saltier foods or creamier by adding more mayo. This is a casual recipe. Make it to your taste. And now onto the best part. Time to eat it. Enjoy it your favorite way, whether in a bowl or as a tostada or even lettuce boats with avocado slices. It's super easy and tasty. As always, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for weekly vegan recipes. Until the next one.